This beautifully updated all-brick home is one story with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, featuring an approximate half-acre lot, beautifully landscaped, and includes gravel parking in front and to the left side of the driveway. It's in Forest Acres in the highly sought-after Satchel Ford Elementary, Crayton Middle School, and A.C Flora High School district. Exterior features include architectural shingles, gutters, and a covered front porch. The interior boasts smooth ceilings, hardwood floors, and includes a living room with a fireplace. A dining room, and a kitchen with granite countertops, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and white cabinets with soft closing drawers. There is a laundry room off of the hall, and to the left of the dining room is a mudroom. The master suite is next to the mudroom and features a spacious bedroom. A custom designed and built walk-in closet, and a private bath with his and her vanities, quartz countertops, soft closing drawers, and a tiled shower with a frameless glass door and rain shower head. There are 2 more bedrooms and another full bath on the other side of the home. The private backyard is an oasis featuring a large deck, a custom-designed patio, a 10 by 12 storage shed, a playset, and it's enclosed with a privacy fence. The location is ideal, close to great shopping and dining, the interstate, convenient to downtown Columbia, Fort Jackson, and all the great things Columbia has to offer.